Alliance Finance Limited has pleaded guilty to breaches of the Bank of Jamaica Act and the Banking Services Act. The company's principals appeared in the St. Andrew Parish Court today. Our business reporter, Javon Keys, attended the sitting and now joins us live. Javon?
Thank you so much, Janelle. Now, President of Alliance Finance Limited, Peter Chin, and his brother, Vice President of the entity, Robert Chin, both appeared before the St. Andrew Parish Court today. The men were expected to answer to various individual charges and charges related to Alliance Finance under the Bank of Jamaica Act, the Banking Services Act, and the Proceeds of Crimes Act. However, things did not play out exactly like that. Here's Queen's Counsel Tom Tavares-Finson. He represents the Chins.
The prosecution has indicated that on the day of sentencing for the company Alliance Finances Limited, the individual charges against Robert and Peter Chin will be discontinued.
Now, this will be at the next court hearing, which is slated for March 3. Now, Mr. Tavares-Finson indicated that this approach was part of a plea agreement reached with the prosecutor, that's the DPP's office. Now, the agreement saw Robert Chin pleading on behalf of Alliance, the company, now pleaded to 28 counts of carrying on the business of lending foreign currency without being an authorized dealer, and that's a total value of about $8 million US. A guilty plea was also entered for 8 counts of accepting deposits without the requisite license from the Bank of Jamaica, and that sum total is about $7.5 million. Now, the breaches occurred between 2013 and 2019. Loans were borrowed by prominent entities and individuals, including disbarred attorney at law Jennifer Masado. Now, as it relates to the charges under the Proceeds of Crime Act POCA, which saw Alliance Investment Management Limited being charged for failure to file threshold transaction reports, those have been referred to case management.
That is to say, discussions between us, the defense, and the Director of Public Prosecutions Department and the FID, because we are of the view that we have evidence to indicate that where the FID has accused us of not reporting matters, we have evidence that in fact we reported them, notwithstanding the fact that the law requires us to keep records for 7 years. And the charges under POCA relate to 2007, 8, and 9.
Now, Robert Chin will be sentenced on behalf of Alliance on March 3. The defense has indicated that there is a possibility it will request the presence of top government officials to appear in court after this hearing. And of course, Janella, we'll continue to monitor this story as it progresses.
Thank you so much, Javon.